Meeting a new neighbor.
Hi, I'm Anna. I just moved into apartment 4B.
Oh, hello, Anna. I'm Ben. I live in 4C. Welcome to the building.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you, Ben.
Nice to meet you too. How do you like the neighborhood so far?
It's very quiet and clean. I really like it.
I agree. I have lived here for 3 years.
That's a long time. Is there a good supermarket nearby?
Yes, there is a big one just 2 blocks away.
Is it expensive?
No, it's quite cheap and the vegetables are very fresh.
That's good to know. And is there a gym?
There is a small gym at the end of this street.
Great. I love exercising in the morning.
Me too. Maybe we can go together sometime.
That would be nice. Do you work near here?
No, I work in the city center. I take the bus.
How long is the bus ride?
About 20 minutes if there is no traffic.
That's not too bad.
Well, I have to go now. If you need anything, just knock on my door.
Thank you so much, Ben. Have a great day.
You too, Anna. Bye.
Goodbye.
Ordering breakfast at a cafe.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. Can I have the breakfast menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
Our pancakes with fresh strawberries are very popular.
That sounds delicious. Are they very sweet?
A little bit, but we serve them with honey on the side.
Okay, I'll take the pancakes.
Would you like anything else? Some eggs or bacon?
Yes, please. Can I have 2 fried eggs?
Sure. How do you like your eggs?
Well done, please.
Noted. And what would you like to drink?
I'd like a large latte.
Do you want sugar in your coffee?
No sugar, but can I have extra milk?
Certainly. Anything else?
Oh, and a glass of cold water, please.
Is that for here or to go?
To eat here, please.
Okay. That will be $15.
Here is $20.
Thank you. Here is your change. Your breakfast will be ready in 10 minutes.
Great, thank you very much.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the National Museum. Am I on the right road?
No, you are going the wrong way.
Oh dear. Is it far from here?
It's about a 15-minute walk.
Should I take a taxi?
No, it's easy to walk. Go straight until the traffic lights.
Okay, go straight to the lights. And then?
Turn left onto Green Street.
Turn left. Okay.
Walk past the library and a big church.
Is the museum next to the church?
No, it's opposite the park, across from the library.
Is there a sign on the building?
Yes, it's a large white building with museum written in blue.
Thank you. Is there a cafe inside?
Yes, there is a very nice cafe on the ground floor.
Perfect. My friend is waiting for me there.
Don't worry, you won't get lost now.
Thanks for your help. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Enjoy the museum.
I will. Bye.